Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make mushroom biryani at your home very easily. So let's start. So for this recipe, what you need, here I have some chopped mushroom, and for the first I'm going to marinate this mushroom, guys. So for that we need some mushroom, and here I took 5 tablespoons of dahi. So I used this tablespoon, guys. So we have to use 5 tablespoons of dahi and some fresh coriander, so the hara dhania, and some fresh mint leaves, and salt and turmeric powder, guys. So let's start. So take a big bowl, and I'm going to add some mushroom into this. And in this I'm going to add this dahi. So we have to do the marination, guys. It gives a nice taste in this biryani. So I used 4 to 5 tablespoons of dahi into this, and I'm going to add some hara dhania to this, and some fresh mint leaves. Okay guys, I'm going to use some fresh mint leaves. So this is from my garden, guys, and hara dhania also. So it's time to add some salt up to your taste. Okay guys, here I'm adding some salt, and it's time to add some lemon juice. So this is also from my garden, guys. So and a lot of lemon juice. It gives a nice tanginess in the marination, and you have to mix all these ingredients together, and little bit of chili powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder into this. Okay guys, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of the chili powder into this. After mixing this, we have to cover this one with a lid for up to 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, for the biryani, what we need, here I chopped one red onion and some garlic. How much garlic you want in the biryani? So I took 4 pieces of garlic, guys, and here is some fresh mint leaves, and here is some black pepper and some jeera, and here is some cloves, and here I soaked the basmati rice. So here I took 1 cup of rice. So for 1 cup of rice we have to add 1.5 cup of water. So let's start, guys. So first we have to fry all these ingredients in the cooker. Hey guys, here I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and into this I'm adding some jeera, cumin seeds, and it's time to add some onion. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes brown in color. I'm adding all the ingredients together, guys. So garlic, some peppercorn, and some cloves. Okay guys, here I added that marinated mushroom along with the onion, and we have to cook for up to 5 to 7 minutes, guys. Then after that we have to add that soaked basmati rice. So for this biryani, the rice should be very good, guys. So we can use the basmati rice. It gives a nice flavor in the biryani. So yeah. Okay guys, here I added the rice along with that marinated mushroom and everything, and some mint leaves. So I added 1.5 cup of water. So for 1 cup of rice, we have to add 1.5 cup of water into this, and we have to cover this one with the lid, guys. So yeah, we will get a long grain biryani rice. We should not supposed to cook with the whistle, guys. So yeah. Hey guys, my mushroom biryani is ready to serve, and you can have this rice with any raita or any chips. So that is up to your choice what you need. So this is a quick video of how to make mushroom biryani at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, and please subscribe to my channel.